making slime with this slime kit we got online. So this is actually our second slime video. I really hope that you enjoyed our first one. It was really fun. So this slime kit is called DIY Fluffy Slime, and we can make different types of slime like fluffy, clear, foam and rainbow slime. I really hope you enjoyed this video. So let's get started. So I'm gonna start.
Whoa.
So we've got PVA glue,
Magic activator.
I
think this is like water.
Water glue. Yeah, I think it's clear glue. Yeah.
Got the decoration. This is big. Glitter. This is small. That was big. Wow.
Oh, we didn't have this much foam last video.
A magazine. Yo, I'm actually kind of excited.
Oh, the different types of slime that we can make.
The food coloring. Oh, a slime book.
And the containers.
Yeah. Wow. This is awesome.
So I'm just gonna set up our slime.
Red, orange, yellow, green.
Oh, we've also got some food coloring. So I'm gonna be making some fluffy slime. So I'm gonna be needing some Elmer's glue and some of this. Some foam beads because it makes it nice and crunchy and fluffy. And I'm going to be making mine. So we've got all our ingredients out of the package, and we've got some different types of glue, the activator, and all our decorations that we're going to put inside our slime. And it also came with this book. I didn't really expect that. It was made by Karina Garcia. And it has different slime ingredients that we can use to make our slime. So let's get started. So I think we're going to start by adding our glue.
So
there we go.
Oldest to youngest.
So we're going to be using this measurement cup to put our glue inside our balls. But before we do that, we need to wear our gloves so we don't get messy. Okay, Joy, there you go.
Thank you. So I put on the gloves. They're quite big, so I hope they don't interfere with my slime. No.
So now that we've got our gloves on, we're gonna add like 100 ml, 180 ml of glue. So just.
Wow.
That's really satisfying.
That is so cool. Does it really look like it? Well, I'm just gonna think it looks like ice cream.
Yeah, it looks like ice cream. Okay, that's okay. No, that's okay.
So I've got 100 ml.
Get in. Yo, it's like a baking cake.
Science.
I like the way when you said science experiment because it was funny.
I'm just gonna get my hands in there because I want to get all of it out. Right. So I'm just gonna use this spoon that they gave us to get the rest of the glue out.
Okay, then
There we go.
Okay, is it my turn now?
Okay, so I'm gonna add another half cup. So I'm just gonna put that down. Add a little bit more.
It's like 15 mils right now.
Okay.
It looks like milk.
Forbidden milk.
Yeah, like milk, but
milk that you never want to consume.
A bit
Yep.
thick. Milk, but a bit thick.
Thick milk.
Yeah.
Okay, it's time for Joy's. Do you want to do it?
Yeah.
Careful, careful, careful. Do it over your bowl. Do it over your bowl. Like that.
Okay.
I think I need help squeezing it, please.
Okay, you hold it over the bowl.
That thing kind of looks like milk.
Okay, now
Pour it in.
So this is taking really long, so I'm just gonna be freehand over here. Yeah, you do it.
Please, may I use
Joy,
it?
be careful.
Oh boy. Oh no.
What's he doing, Joy?
Is that enough? Okay, I think that's enough. Yes, that's enough.
Okay, please.
I'll help you out.
Okay, just oh no.
Oh,
Where's my
We'll
spoon?
clean that.
I've lost my spoon.
It's kind of.
It's washable, guys.
Alright.
Okay. So I think that
Alright, that's out.
that was quite a mess.
It is still.
Well, we can
That's
clean
enough.
up after the video.
Yeah, I think that's enough.
But I have to add another half liter.
No, that's enough, Joy.
Yeah, that's enough.
So what do I have to do?
Look, Joy's actually looking pretty small. So
Girl, what are you thinking?
playing some blood blowing yours.
Okay, that's enough.
That didn't make much of a difference.
Okay.
Okay.
So guys, now I'm gonna add my food coloring.
So we're gonna like put all the ingredients all the decorations we're gonna put in first before we're gonna add this thing.
I'm just gonna add my food coloring first.
Yeah, I'm gonna add some clear glue so it looks kind of cool.
Bro,
When I
I'll help you out.
stretch it.
And,
Actually, I'll do some clear glue too.
Adding my clear glue in.
oh, pick up. Yeah.
Please, can you help me?
Okay.
Okay, I got it.
Just sit down.
Well, you might want to mix it.
Okay.
Did you? Yeah.
So we're picking our colors now. Which one do you want?
Purple. That one's purple.
Wait, we can make purple with so
Pink.
Red and blue.
yeah, red and blue. So let's get red.
Purple.
Who's this?
That's pink, girl. That's pink.
Alright, this is purple. There we go. I'm so excited for this slime to be done.
When you do this is black, but when you do this is
Guys, can I tell you guys a joke?
Okay,
Oh,
what's the
no.
joke? You have to turn.
Why did the robot cross the road?
Why?
Because it wanted to be programmed by a chicken.
Wait, what?
That was a bit.
Oh, sorry, that's 3 drops.
I'll just one little drop because I don't want it to be too dark.
Oh.
Joy's one is gonna be red.
I like red.
She put a lot.
Well, I like red too, you know.
I think I'm gonna put a little bit more.
I'm gonna add some green.
Don't you want purple, Joy? Oh, it's not my slime.
Actually, I'm gonna add some.
Wait.
Have you find slime? Okay.
Yeah. Yeah, it's same number.
Okay. I made mine a nice light blue.
I made mine cyan. I think like a little close to cyan. Maybe.
Oh, it's orange. It's gonna be orange.
I'm gonna add my foam
Orange!
balls
I
now.
knew it. Orange.
Why not call it foam?
My slime's orange.
Because they're foam. I'm gonna show you.
Dark.
Oh, these are foam, not balls.
Wait, kind of
So
like
I'm
a
not gonna add a
green.
lot of foam balls.
This is
Just a little.
orange.
Right. Okay. So that's all the foam balls I'm gonna be adding.
And I'm not ready yet.
A little bit of blue.
So guys, I made my slime a bright orange.
That's a nice.
That's
color.
good. That's good.
I'm gonna call it the orange, the funny orange.
Which one?
The one that has the teeth and the eyes that talks like a banana.
Wait, can somebody help me open this?
Okay.
Kind of hard. Oh, you're not using the gloves anymore.
Thomas, can you open this, please?
Okay, I'll help you out. There you go.
Okay.
So I'm gonna use this one to get my.
Okay, that is a little bad.
I'm gonna add.
Okay, this is my last.
Okay, that's all for me.
Okay, I'm gonna mix it up now.
Oh, go put a little. I'm trying to make a little bit of gold in my slime.
So I've added all my ingredients.
When you're gonna add a tiny bit more yellows.
You guys are adding a lot of stuff. Okay, I'm all done adding my ingredients. I just need to add my activator. Just gonna wait for everybody else to be ready.
I can't mix it.
All right.
Okay, I'm actually kind of.
Mine's gonna be fluffy for sure. Beady. Mine's gonna be so beady for sure.
Isaac, don't you want to add any of the stuff?
Oh.
Can I need that on?
Okay, so I've got all my ingredients in now, and I'm gonna add my activator. So I got some foam beads and blue glitter. And I also added some blue food coloring, but not a lot, so it'll be a nice light blue. Okay, so now I'm gonna add my activator. Also gonna measure it, because I don't want to put too much. It's real sticky. Just a little bit.
I'm adding gold.
Yes, a little bit of activator.
Wait, so can I borrow the go for a second?
Gonna mix.
Hey!
I'll give you back. I'll give you back. Sorry.
So I've added my activator.
Okay, I'll help you lot out. Help you lot out.
I think I can do it.
Let's mix this.
Oh, it's getting
You
nice
can go.
and-
Alright. How much you want?
Yeah, that's enough. That's enough.
Can I have? Please, can you give me the gold?
Please help her out.
Okay.
No, I'm not gonna do
Add
it.
a little, don't make a mess.
I still had to put my phone moves on.
Still need an activator.
My slime is so pretty.
Don't want too much activator slime, so just gonna mix now. Mix, mix, mix. I'm gonna use my hands later.
Wait, where's the measuring cup?
It's here. Gotcha.
Wait, can I put activate in it?
Yeah, just a little though.
Only a tiny bit.
Yeah, you don't want too much activator. That's enough.
Oh.
Right, Isaac.
Okay. That's a lot.
I've put lots of foam beads in it and nice blue activator.
Whoa, mine's turning like slime.
It's
Your
not,
slime is turning pink, Joy.
it's not really activating.
Mine's turning pink.
It's really sticky.
A bit like peach, Joy.
Yeah, mine's peach.
Joy, you have to mix it properly.
Like this.
Why is my slime not activating?
I don't know. Maybe you didn't mix it much.
It's not activating?
Cause you didn't mix it much.
Mix it. There we go.
I've added so much activator.
Okay. This has been a long time.
Okay.
I haven't even put these in yet.
That's
Okay, that's a lot.
So now I'm gonna add some more.
Okay. Okay, this is good, I guess.
So we've mixed the slime all together now, and it's really fun to play with.
And guys, I'm gonna add some pink glitter.
So
And if you didn't see our last time video, go check it out right after this video.
That's all of that pink glitter.
So mine
wish
has
this
lovely
was
foam beads in it, and it's a lovely blue color
I
with
don't
glitter
think
in it. You
It
can
is
see
my
that.
favorite color.
And Isaac, show you slime.
I put some blue glitter, black
glitter and some, was it blue glitter? Oh, that's it. Oh, purple glitter, and I put some foam beads, kind of a lot. And I made my slime sign and I make it like light green, maybe.
Oh my gosh, Joy. Adding so much glitter. Okay, Joy, talk about your slime.
So, guys, mine turned out really well, and it's pink. And I'm gonna add a little bit of golden glitter.
You've added so much glitter.
Tiny bit of golden glitter.
So, my slime is a lovely light blue foam bead slime. I call it Up in the Sky. Ooh. It's really stretchy, and I think we can actually make a skipping rope out of this.
So my slime's an epic.
Vote for me
fail.
if you think my slime's the best. Vote for me if you think my slime's the best. Hashtag Up in the Sky.
Okay, so my slime is like an axe.
I'm gonna call it light green galaxy.
Because it kind of looks like
Okay,
a galaxy.
we can make a wheel.
So, say in the comments if my slime is better. Hashtag light green galaxy.
Okay, Joy, your turn.
So guys, my slime's not really that stretchy, but I still like it. And I call it the tornado. Because I can shape it like anything. Hashtag the axe. Hashtag the axe. Wait, how do you do that?
So like you stretch. Wait, never mind. You stretch it out really long, and then you go like this, and then you go.
Did you hear something? Okay, that's enough.
I can make it into booties.
Wait, what? Okay, that's the end of our video. I hope you guys enjoyed the slime video. Please subscribe and share to your friends and family so they can like and subscribe too. Bye.
My phone. My phone beef.
Bead.
Phone bead.
My phone bead. My phone beef.